Hi, I'm Dr. Watt, the Healthy Neurosurgeon. I want to talk about cross-contamination. That's when you touch something with your gloved hand that's contaminated, and then you touch something clean, and now that's contaminated. Gloves in the general public have actually been a problem for years. The food service people were wearing them, and nobody taught them what, why, or how. I remember years ago going into a McDonald's for a cup of coffee, just a cup of coffee, and back in the kitchen area as a kid, wearing his gloves, rubbing his nose, and then scooping up the French fries. Well, thank God his snot only got on your fries, not his hand. What I'm seeing now is gals going into the grocery store and they're using their gloved hands to grab the handle of the cart. The handle on the cart probably is filthy, and not just from Corona. For all you know, some 2-year-old with diarrhea was sitting in that little seat before you got there. But the problem is that the well-meaning shopper wears your gloves, is touching the cart handle, her phone rings. She picks up the phone and puts it up to her face. Well, she touched the cart handle, then she touched her phone. She might as well have taken her face and rubbed it on the cart handle to begin with. Something that can be at least helpful, if not healthy. Gas pumps are pretty darn filthy too. And a trick I learned when my wife was driving a diesel, which has pretty smelly fuel, is you get a glove, a regular glove like a work glove, preferably one that fits a little loose. You swipe your credit card with your ungloved hand, punch the numbers in, pump your gas, put it back in, push the button for the receipt, and then take the work glove off. But you don't grab the part that's handled what might have been dirty. You take it off using just the cuff or the back side, and then you throw it in the car someplace, preferably where the dogs and the kids don't get to it. And you leave it there until the next time you're getting gas. Now, you've cut down on the number of bugs that got on your hand. And when it's time to get gas again, the number of bugs on the glove has probably gone down just because of passage of time. But you still don't grab it by the dirty side. You pick it up by the cuff, slip it back on, and repeat the process, including throwing it back into the car. It's important to understand that wearing gloves is not a magic envelope that protects you. There's really no excuse for not just washing your hands. It's not brain surgery.